Annyeong chingudeul. Today I'm going to do an unboxing again because I ordered a folding chair that I will be using here in the attic because it's uncomfortable to sit on the floor. Yeah, since my another working table is here, so I have to have a chair, folding chair. So it arrived today. So I'm going to open it and show it to you. Okay, let's do this. So this is the folding chair. It arrived today. So I'm going to open it and assemble and I will show to you. Okay, I will be needing scissors. So I have to cut first. Okay. So what color do you think it is? What color? Can you guess what color? Can you guess? Okay, it's color what? Violet. It's my favorite color. Okay, FYI. So it's a 6-line chair. 6. Okay, so I'm going to cut it now. Since in Korea, usually we sit on the floor, but for me it's uncomfortable, so I bought this one. Okay, it comes with a pillow, so you can put on your head or on your back. I'm going to cut the other side. Okay. So it is sealed again with another plastic. Almost done. Then I'm going to remove the plastic. Ta-da! Look at this. 6-layer folding chair. Single. So I'll try it. So I'm going to remove this first because I sat here a while ago, and then I will put this one. Okay, actually, yeah, It's folding, so you can make it as a bed as well. Or you heard that, right? Okay. So you can also put the pillow here at the back, or on the head. Okay, ta-da! Wow! So now I can sit here. I put the pillow at my back instead of on my head. Wow, it's so comfortable. I can work now without having back pain. It's so soft as well. Wow, I love it. It's nice. So nice. Love it. So now I can work well using my new folding chair. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and to receive some notifications. So please press the bell button. Okay? So I hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Annyeong, chingudeul. Have a great weekend. Bye.